Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to make a search engine, GitHub search engine where you can search for any sort of username. And you can see this is a search engine and we have a simple input field here. The placeholder, it is showing us that enter username, and here you can enter any sort of name. Here let's suppose I search for my username, which is Gothi12345 6. This is my GitHub username. If you just click the search menu here, it will search this repository and it will fetch all this information from the GitHub API. And for building this, we are using React.js in browser alongside with JavaScript. So you can see it has fetched this here, a profile picture of my GitHub account, and this is a username. If you click this, you will get detailed information about my account. And now let me just right click inspect element, and now let me show you in the console we are getting a JSON response here. So you will see in the console we have got, if you click this here, now you will see a JSON response will be returned to us some information about my username, avatar, URL. So all these information we are displaying it on the screen. Biography, blog, company, created at email address. So followers, we are printing it. If I drag down, you will see we are printing the biography, country, followers, following. So all such information we are grabbing it directly from the GitHub API. We are making a GET request to that GitHub API using React.js. So you can also see the list of username repositories. So we are also fetching all the GitHub repositories of that particular username. So this is my GitHub repositories. You will see 102 are there. So you can see the location is also there. India, login is the username, name, Gotham, node ID, Gotham, public repos. How many repositories are you there? 104. And if I click any of the individual repositories in the so now it will open this inside a new tab, and you will get all this information about this repository. You can download all the source code. Simply click the download zip button here, or you can copy the address. So in this way you have made a complete search engine. So now let's suppose I take another example here. So you will also see the URL changes here. This is hash slash Gothi123456. This means that this is a progressive web app which is brought to you by React.js. So this is completely dynamic in nature because we are using React.js, the concept of it. So now if I just remove this, this will auto refresh. So you will see. Now if I just type here Suraj, just a generic name here, you will see if I search this, many people will have the ID Suraj here. You will see this is, you can see all the persons which contains the ID Suraj will be listed out here. You will see still it is fetching the data, and if you just drag down, it will dynamically load this data from GitHub API, and it will display this data inside a list like structure. And similarly you can click this any of the data here, any of the username, and it will display more information about it inside this complete screen. So you will see all the repositories that the creator has created. So if you want to click any of the individual repository, you will able to get to the detailed repository. So this will be the application that we will be building in React.js. So for all the source code guys, and one more guys, one more thing that I need to tell you, we are using the concept of Redux, which is a state management tool inside React.js. So in order to manage the data or state inside our application, React.js application, we are using the concept of Redux. Redux is a special state management library in React. So if you just search on Google Redux React, so it has its own official website. So this is a state management library of React. So we are using it also. So now to get all the source code regarding this application, you will need to go to my blog post that I given in the video description. So all the source code of the application will be there inside the video description. You can just go to the video description and download all the source code. So we are also using the React router. So if you go to this blog post, you will follow all the step-by-step instruction. You will see only two files will be there. First is index.html file, and you need to copy to clipboard. Just copy all this code, and then you need to have script.js file. So this is all the JavaScript code which is necessary. You will see this is the second file, I think, script.js. So only two files are there. So simply this is a screenshot. So you can also follow the blog post as well. The link is there inside the video description. Now first of all guys, you can just open a text editor. Let me just guide you step by step process on how to make this application. So let me just delete this and tell you from scratch. So now if I just open this index.html, we need to create index.html file, and as I already told you, we need to go to my blog post which is there inside video description. So just click copy to clipboard button here, and simply you need to copy all the source code. So we are including some libraries here. You can see jQuery, Bootstrap. We are also using React, min.js, DOM min.js, Redux. So all these libraries we are included by CDN, Content Delivery Network. So React Router, we are also using React Router Redux. And after that, we are including the script.js file, which will be the custom JavaScript file. So in the same directory, create script.js, and simply you need to copy paste the code here as it is shown here. I think at this moment of time, if you open here this file here, open with live server, this is an extension of Visual Studio Code text editor. You will see nothing will happen because we haven't loaded the JavaScript. So just go to my video description blog and you will find this file, which is script.js. Simply you need to copy to clipboard, paste it, and now you will see a input search field where you can search any sort of username. Let's suppose I search here John, and if I click the search here, you will see it will list out all the entries, all the usernames which contains the characters John in them. If I click any of this GitHub username, it will display all the information: name, username, city, country, followers, following, number of repos, gist. So you can see all this. You can also have this inside JSON response as well. And create any of if I click any of the individual repository, it will open it inside new window, which here you can download all the source code. So this was the application, guys. Hope you like this application, React.js application, GitHub API username search with repository data using React Router and Redux. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. All the source code will be there inside the video description. Just go to the blog post. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which is a tool-based website which contains almost 180 tools regarding audio, image and video. So please check out this website and share it with your friends. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.